How to add warmth in Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this tool. First of all, open the application. Now here near your home page, you can see this plus icon. Simply tap on this plus icon. Now you can create or open any of the images that you want to edit. Now here I'm tapping on one. Again, simply tap on this picture. So here you'll be able to see different tools available. Now on the bottom, you can see this adjust button. Simply tap on adjust. Here you'll be able to see the option called warmth on the third option. Simply tap on it again. So here you'll get a slider. Now you can adjust the slider however you like. So this will increase and decrease the warmth of the picture. So as you can see, there are different changes in the picture. At last, simply tap on done and you are done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.